Season 2 winner.
Hi.
Boy, you're following in the footsteps of China K now. So after, so next year, them time you're probably going to be with child.
Oh, whoa.
That is a social host
Whoa, somebody knock on wood.
That is the social host thing.
That's crazy.
If you win social host, you get pregnant next year.
I'd have to find a man first. I'd have to find a man first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so how do you feel to be the winner?
Oh, I'm so ecstatic. I genuinely, I'm shocked. You can actually see my face when they announced it. I was not expecting it. I really genuinely thought Ethan won. But I'm so happy and overwhelmed. I don't know. I don't even know what words. I don't know. I'm excited. I am.
How would you describe like your love-hate relationship with social media? 'Cause I know sometimes you're like, yeah, with it, but like I know you're new in the space now and having to navigate like, do I want to be a part of it or I want to cut?
Well, I definitely know I want to be a part of it because this is what I love doing. It's genuinely my passion and I wake up every day excited to create content. It does get overwhelming because obviously I'm human and a lot of opinions all at once can be, overwhelming. But I think I've just chosen to look at the positive side of it, to lean on people like Ethan, Perry, Chad, whenever I'm feeling down, whenever I need advice. And the social house itself has felt like such a family and like such a community that I know that I can count on, that things like that don't really get to me. Like whenever I reply to a mean comment, Chad is in my DMs like, Tanya, you're so much better than that. Or Tara's like, yo, why are you messing Twitter? And that's the kind of environment I need, and that's the kind of environment I feel like has helped me thrive in this industry.
Yeah, you're very well spoken. So for coming upon that, like, you know the strips. So recently on Twitter, there was somebody who mentioned whatever, and I realized that it kind of got under your skin a bit.
Yeah.
And when I saw it, I was just like, boy, like I don't, Twitter.
Yeah.
You know, Twitter is
grimy.
Twitter is the street.
Yeah, for
it's
sure.
very grimy.
For sure.
Like,
for sure.
what made you react to the tweet that way where somebody kind of, what was it? What was that situation for you? Like, how did you hear about it and how would you describe like your reaction?
I was in Peru when I was on live, just enjoying myself talking to people, and somebody was like, oh, they're dragging you on Twitter. And I was like, what? Because I knew I hadn't done anything controversial in a while. I knew that there wasn't really anything to talk about. And I went on Twitter and it was like hundreds of people talking about me. I think the reason it affected me so much is because I wasn't expecting it. It was very shocking. It's one thing when I'm being Tanya and I say something and people are commenting on it, but I was just living my life. I was like, where is this coming from? And I think that's why it felt so overwhelming when you're just existing and they're attacking you for existing. But you have to, like, being in this industry, you kind of just have to be okay with that. You have to have tough skin. But I also want people to know that it's okay to have tough skin and to break down sometimes, because we are human and that's what happened. And I want people to know that you can break down and still get back up and still continue and still do what you love, because that's life.
It's part of this whole entire life.
Yeah, it's a part of the job.
Yes, I'm going to give you a name. I just tell me the first word that comes to mind. Chad Lucci.
Crap. No, I don't know. Not crap. All right, start second.
All right, ready? Chad Lucci.
Handsome.
Quiet Perry.
Loud.
Yardman Ethan.
Fun.
Lee.
Ditzy.
Dancing Rebel.
Hilarious.
But if I've nobody for the constant travel.
Amazing.
So what are you going to do with the money now?
I'm gonna invest. What do you mean?
Okay, I'm taking out second and just go on different country.
No, I'm gonna go to Tanzania with my sister. I decided that part of it I'll travel with, other parts I'll invest. I'm trying to build on the Ton Travels brand. So definitely, you guys are gonna see more of me this coming year.
I see the girl you talk about our brand ambassadorship and all kind of something like you manifested that, you know. You've been calling on it now, and like it seems like you settled, because I see a TikTok and you put out like a lot of goals in terms of what you want to accomplish in terms of fan base and all things, and it seems as if one by one they're all coming together.
Like God has been doing his thing with my life, and I genuinely like have to give him all props, because this is not my doing. This is absolutely 100% him. And I'm just so grateful for every opportunity that I've had, every opportunity that Tara and Lori have given me. I am not the easiest person to work with, anybody can tell you that, but they have really inducted me like into this industry, and I feel like it's my family, and I just appreciate them so much.
Okay, so but now I'm gonna make you leave without this. Would you say that you are the queen of TMI?
I don't think it's TMI. I just think I say what everybody else is thinking and doesn't want to say. And there is no OnlyFans coming. I don't know why Duttyberry and Janila put that out there. No OnlyFans is on it today.
I mean, I was just saying the marketing, because you said
I'm just honest.
You talked about the swallowing and that you know, and I really your thing, but you angle it and you're open to putting things in your mouth.
I'm just honest. I think the reason that my followers like me is because they feel like they know me, and so I don't really gatekeep things. I don't really hold on to information. If I'm thinking it, I'm saying it.
So let's have a TMI moment right now. Would you put a foot in mouth?
Absolutely not.
Okay. But
Absolutely not.
A frog.
A frog in my mouth?
Yeah, a frog.
No.
Okay, so there is
like
a cutoff.
Like a cooked frog?
Yes.
I'd eat cooked frog.
Oh, okay.
For sure.
But not like your partner's feet.
I ate alpaca 3 or 4 days ago.
Wait, what?
It tasted like curry, like goat alpaca.
Wait, what?
Alpaca, you know what's on my TikTok?
Siri, what is alpaca?
It's like a sheep with a long neck.
Oh, I've seen it. It look like something out of Pokemon.
Yeah. It tastes like goat, like curry goat or like lamb. It just like a chewy.
No man, your palate is too expensive. So that is it, and I want you to look into the camera and tell all our supporters them. Just tell them any message to people who've been rooting for you to the entire Social House season. Hi
guys, thank you so much for all the love and support throughout the season. My ton travelers know that I am a crackhead, and I wasn't expecting this at all. So thank you guys for all the love, all the support, and see you guys later. Bye.
All right, thank you very much for the chat, Ton Travelers. See you on.